We're all pretty familiar with the requirement that a trademark actually be used in the marketplace to be eligible for trademark protection. But what exactly constitutes the necessary use? The 1990 case of Persons Company Limited versus Christman explores this question in the context of an international apparel dispute. In the late 1970s, the Persons Company logo started appearing on clothing items marketed and distributed in Japan. In 1981, Larry Christman returned home to the U.S. from a business trip in Japan. He brought with him several pieces of Persons apparel. After consulting with his attorney, Christman learned the Persons mark wasn't registered here. He proceeded to copy the clothing items for wholesale distribution in the U.S. and registered the mark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Christman's copied items had the same Persons mark or globe logo as seen on the Japanese apparel. About a year later, the Japanese Persons Company had really begun to take off in Japan. With intentions to expand into the U.S. market, Persons filed a trademark application in the U.S. and learned of Christman's registration. Persons filed a claim with the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board to cancel Christman's registration based on Persons' prior foreign use. Christman counterclaimed and moved for summary judgment. The board granted Christman's motion, determining that Persons couldn't assert priority over Christman's use of the mark in U.S. commerce based on Persons' prior use of the mark in Japan. Persons appealed to the Federal Circuit.